Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. It has been a long time, but today I'm here for unboxing. This is a pen that I've ordered last year but arrived now. So let me try to show it to you. It came from Spain and let me show it. So I have here these golden color Victorinox Alox knife, and let's open the package. Today there is quite a storm out there, so I hope there won't be too much noise because of the storm. And let me show you what I got here. But I think I may be missing something here, because I ordered a pen and a couple of converters which are not here. Okay, so this came from Estilograficas from Spain, and I bought from them before, and I bought this pen, a Stipula. I didn't have a Stipula until today, and now I have one. But there are two converters that I didn't receive, so I need to check back with them. So it has that sleeve, and now it has this kind of drawer. Can I open it? Not easy. How does this open? You can't push it on this side. Okay, oh, they sent the converters inside. It makes sense to keep the number of stuff around, so it makes sense. So sorry about saying that. There are two Lamy converters, one for the regular pens, and regular pens, which means the regular pens that are not Lamy Safaris, and so I needed a couple of Lamy converters, so I bought them. And this is the Stipula, and there is the instructions. Garanzia istruzione per l'uso. Sorry about my Italian. I don't speak Italian at all. Okay, I understand now. It was the other way around. So there is this tab. That's why I couldn't open it. Okay, sorry about this mess. So here is the pen. The pen is called Stipula Etruria Rainbow Giallo, and it means it is from the Rainbow series, and Giallo means yellow. So it is a yellow demonstrator pen. Interestingly, it's not completely clear. It's clear, but not a transparent, completely transparent clear. It has written here Stipula, and there is a series number because apparently it is a limited edition. And I think this is an interesting pen. I never had a Stipula. I didn't know that I really wanted when I thought a lot about it, that I saw this one that it was yellow. And I have a viewer here in the channel, Sajad, that he said to me that he's a big fan of Stipula pens, and we share the same taste around some pens, like some Montegrappa, some Aurora, and because our tastes are kind of aligned, I thought maybe I should give it a try, because if he likes this brand, and maybe we have some more in common. And I decided to get this pen. I was very curious. I was curious by myself. I had this input from him that made me more curious about the pen, but at the same time I have a little bit stranger input from Wasky Squirrel, that and in his channel he has Stipula pen with a special nib, and he has lots of trouble with that specific nib that works well in some pens but not in the Stipula. So some mixed feelings, and I decided to go for it. It's quite heavy, it feels nice. So in next days I will let you know some stuff about this. So it has this steel nib, and there is something written there, Etruria, I think, no, Firenze, yes. I was in Firenze, Florence, last year, but it was not it was just a trip, holidays, not a pen trip. So I didn't go anywhere to see pens, I didn't buy any pen, I just bought a box of cartridges. So he told me this pen would fill the other way around, from regular piston fillers. Yes, it does, and it doesn't move, it doesn't get how can I say, it doesn't move from the barrel. So I think it is an interesting pen. It has a big nib, I think it's a number 6 nib, but it's not too big. I have to say that I like the pen. I don't love piston filler pens, but I thought I could have this one. It is yellow, I like yellow pens. I like the fact that the finish of these is kind of a matte color, it's not shiny. So I think there is a lot to like about it. I will ink it very soon, maybe today or something like that, and then I will tell you what I think about this pen. I hope I will like it. So just for some comparison with my other transparent yellow pens, because I had to do it, as you know. I don't have many yellow transparent pens, and I have some that are just kind of. So I have here the Platinum Preppy, which is not completely transparent yellow, just the clip and that upper part. I have a Pelicano Junior, this one, interesting older model, which is transparent but a very much darker shade of yellow. Also darker shade of yellow is this Leonardo Officina Italiana messenger pen from year 2000, limited edition, and it looks nice, but it's this kind of yellow, not that kind of yellow. And now for another kind of yellow, which is different, this is kind of more similar. They have a different kind of transparent yellow, which is the yellow from the Kaweco iSport, which is more on the green side. This is the Kaweco iSport yellow. It's officially called yellow, but okay. It looks like this, it looks much greener. I have the same kind of color with one of the best pens ever made, or at least one of the best nibs, or one of the best pens price versus quality, which is the Waterman Culture, also in yellow, but it looks this kind of fluorescent green, and on the same kind of family, although a little bit less intense, the Pilot Kakuno with this baby face there. So these are my transparent greenish yellow, and maybe the more similar one will be these Sailor, how is this called? Sailor 1911 Junior, Profit Junior, or Compass, I'm not completely sure how to call it. It's more similar, however it is a little bit darker, but I would say this is the same kind of color, and these have the same family of color. This is another family of transparent yellow, and this is another completely one of transparent yellow. So in the end, I'm very interested in finding out if this pen writes well. I waited quite a bit because there was problems with the stocks at the store, but now I have it. If you always have a very nice and here's a card from them. I think Estilograficas always have a very good customer service. If the things come completely in time because there is stock, or if there isn't stock, the communication is good. They are very reliable. I like them. They ship things very quickly, at least here from Spain to Portugal. Yeah, right next door, let's say like that. I like them, so if you want, visit them, estilograficas.com. And he said, gracias de nuevo, Paulo, un saludo afectuoso, Eugenio. So thank you, Paul. Thanks again, Paul. Kind greetings, Eugenio. So this is the message he sent me. I'm very happy with this pen, quite excited. I will try it. I'll need to... Is this the opposite side? No, I'm not sure anymore. Let me just see. Sorry. So left, turning counterclockwise, it gets empty. Yes, turning counterclockwise, it gets full. So interesting. I'm really interested to see. This pen feels really solid. It's really interesting. So I hope next time I make a video about pens in use, or pens for the month. I don't call it pens in use. That's another YouTuber that I like a lot. Maybe this one will be inked. I think I will link it right now after this video. So see you soon. Bye.